Hello, fabulous viewers. Get ready for a makeup journey that takes beyond borders and challenges cultural norms. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of male makeup, where East meets West and traditional meets trendy. Makeup has long been associated with different cultures, each with its unique traditions and beauty rituals. But guess what? It's time to mix things up and have a blast while doing it. So, here's the deal. I'm here to explore the fascinating world of makeup from various cultural perspectives. From the intricate art of geisha makeup in Japan to the vibrant and symbolic face painting of indigenous tribes, we're embracing diversity and celebrating cultural expressions of beauty. I'll be attempting to recreate some iconic looks from around the world, and trust me, hilarity is inevitable.
Wow, I never thought I'd see someone embracing different cultures through makeup. This is fantastic.
This is such a fun and light-hearted way to bridge cultural gaps. We need more of this.
Exactly. Through laughter and a little bit of face paint, we can explore, appreciate, and learn from diverse cultural practices. It's a celebration of unity and breaking down barriers, one brush stroke at a time. Alright, let's dive into our first cultural makeup adventure, the mesmerizing world of Bollywood beauty. Get ready for vibrant colors, dramatic eye looks, and some serious dance moves. Okay, maybe I need a bit more practice with the dance moves, but hey, I'm all about spreading joy and celebrating cultural richness. Thank you for joining me on this hilarious multicultural makeup journey. Remember, cultural diversity is something to be cherished and celebrated. Let's break stereotypes, learn from one another, and embrace the beauty of our shared humanity. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next laughter-filled episode. Until then, keep exploring, keep laughing, and remember, makeup is a canvas where cultures come together.